guys want to see a little magic trick? You ready for this? This is going to be pretty cool. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. What? How'd I do that? Is your mind blown? Was that cool? I actually do magic as a side hustle now. I don't. Might get rained on. Really hoping I don't. I don't plan to be out too long just because it's supposed to start raining soon. And I think when I got onto the 650, it was sprinkling a little bit. It's a green light, bud. It's green. It's green. Go ahead. Come on. I'm gonna get caught because you're going too slow. But yeah, like I was saying, I got on the 650, I think it was sprinkling, so this one's gonna have to be kind of short. But the reason I was on the 650 was because I don't think anybody noticed, because there wasn't any comments about it yet. But I went to take a reel. Well, I made a reel using the 650. It hasn't been posted yet on YouTube, but by the time you see this video, it will have been up. And when I recorded it, I noticed the caliper looked a little weird. Didn't look like it was positioned right. And someone on Instagram commented, like, at least put it back. I forget the exact wording, but something along those lines. And I was like, yeah, I noticed that. And was like, what the hell? So I walked outside to look, and it was just completely loose, just dangling. There was, and the bolts were like, hold on, stuttering. The bolts were missing, and I was like, did I just not put them back in? Like, when I put the tire on, what happened there? So I go back and I look at the 650 review video and notice that. Like, I'm mad at myself, one, because I didn't notice that before I went riding, or like while I was making that video, even though I pushed the hoses back in. And two, I was mad at myself because, like, how did I forget to tighten those at all? Like, well, I at least hand tightened them, but like they very clearly needed put further back in. And I was mad at myself for not remembering to do that. So now those bolts are gone. So the reason I was just on the 650 was because I put new bolts in, and I rode around a little bit just to make sure that they were going to stay in and work, because I don't want to sell a bike to somebody that isn't safe. I don't want them to get hurt on it. So I took it out to make sure that those new bolts I put in were going to work, and they do, thankfully. So it wasn't a big issue. Just a learning lesson. I should have eaten before I came. Actually, I think that was my plan. And then I forgot. I thought I got food. I don't remember. But I'm hungry. So if I did eat, it wasn't enough. Oh well. Hey, good job. Good job. I'm 99% sure that's not going to be on camera, but they were in this turning lane. They went through here and then just went straight. What a... Oh, I can't stand people like that. I would love to catch up to them. I wish some cop would have been there to see that and pulled them over, and I could have got that on video. That would have been the most, like, satisfying instant karma. I definitely should have worn long sleeves today, because it's a little bit colder than it has been. And with it being about to rain in about an hour or less, that cools it down too. Oh well. I wonder how many people are going to understand that the title of this video is a reference to Two Girls, One Cup. I've never had the misfortune of seeing that video. I'm fully aware of what it is, but I've been able to avoid watching it my whole life, and I plan to keep it that way. If you don't know what that video is, you're probably quite young, and you should also keep it that way. You don't want to know what that video is if you are unaware. But that is indeed what the title is referencing. It's not clickbait or a lie. It's just a... Ooh. What is that? Okay. I think it's the Monster R3. It looks cooler from far away. I mean, I like R3s. Obviously, I'm not going to ride one again, but I do like them. I'm going to be honest, I should probably get medicated for my ADHD, just because of how bad it is, and it can get kind of dangerous while riding because I'll just completely zone out or get distracted by one thing and then forget that I'm on a motorized vehicle on the road with other people around me. So maybe I should take, I don't know. Ooh, cookies. I could go for some dog. I could go for some insomnia cookies. Another dog. Another dog. There's so many. That's like 4. Yeah, 4. Please hit me. One day. I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea where I'm going. I don't know why I'm right here. Like, I know where I'm at, I'm going in random circles, I guess, and I don't know why. Well, probably because I don't want to get too far from home in case it rains. But I also don't want to keep going in these circles. Well, this video is probably going to end up being pretty short. I tried to edit like a lot of like jokes and memes into it, so I'm trying to make it funny and enjoyable. But yeah, it's definitely going to start raining here soon. I'd rather not get caught in it, so I'm going to wrap it up now while I'm still dry. Because being wet isn't always a good thing. So I'm going to end this one here. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, as always. I say it every time, but I mean it. We're gonna go 10 miles an hour until I get home because this car in front of me. So I'll probably get home in the next 2 hours. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. If we can hit 16 billion likes, I'll do the next video shirtless. So let's go for it. It's not that crazy. I think last video hit like 9 trillion. So I think we can do it.